This is Grade 3, Module 1, Lesson 11, and the objective in this lesson is to model division as the unknown factor in multiplication using arrays and tape diagrams. So we're going to look at number 2, and number 2 says, Miss Meyer organizes 15 clipboards equally into 3 boxes. How many clipboards are in each box? So model the problem with both an array and a labeled tape diagram. Show each column as a number of clipboards in each box. So we're going to start with our target sentence first. What are we looking for here? And that reads, there are blank clipboards in each box. So let's start with our array. And I know that there's 3 boxes and we have 15 clipboards. And we want the columns to be the clipboards, okay? So each column, remember the columns go up and down. So if I have a box, I'm going to do B1, B2, and B3, because those are my 3 boxes. And I have 15 clipboards that I need to have equally in each of those boxes. So let's just start putting our clipboards in. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have the same number in each box, and if I'm looking at just one box, I see that there are 5. So I can write 5 and write CB in each box. Okay. Now let's do a tape diagram of that, and here's a tape, and I know that there are 15 clipboards. That's my whole amount. And I'm going to just separate this as evenly as possible because I want to know how many clipboards is going to be in one of those boxes. Okay, so how many clipboards? And the students can, there's several ways to do this, but they can actually count them out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and as you can see, there are 5 clipboards in each box. So that can go right in my target sentence. There are 5 clipboards in each box. Okay, so we're going to look at question number 4. And question number 4 says, Jasmine puts 18 hats away. She puts an equal number of hats on 3 shelves. How many hats are in each shelf? Model the problem with both an array and a label tape diagram and show each column as a number of hats in each shelf. So very similar to the problem we just did, but now we're talking about hats and shelves. Okay, so start with a target sentence. Okay, and that reads, Jasmine puts blank hats on each shelf. We have some information that we can use. We have 18 hats to put away. We have 3 shelves, and we want the column to be the number of hats. Okay, so let's just do our 3 shelves, and we're going to have 18 hats. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And if I'm looking at one of those shelves, which is this right here, you can see that there are 6 hats on a shelf. Okay, that would be our array, and then our tape diagram looks like this. The whole tape is 18 hats, and then we know that there's 3 shelves, and we want to find out how many hats in one shelf. So just like before, we can go ahead and put a dot representing a hat until we get to 18. Okay, and our answer for that would be 6. We have 6 hats on each shelf. So our students just did a division problem. They did 18, and they divided it by the 3 for 3 shelves to get a quotient of 6.